In this video, we're going to get an overview of the WooCommerce plugin, and we're also going to install it on our website. WooCommerce is a free e-commerce toolkit for WordPress. It can be downloaded from their home site as well as from the plugin directory, and it allows you to sell physical products as well as digital products. It handles payment, shipping, inventory management. You can do coupons. It also calculates the taxes of your customers. It's really a very powerful free e-commerce tool. There are paid extensions that'll add additional functionality. We don't really need to use them for this course. I definitely recommend looking into them and see as you progress if any of them would suit your website. WooCommerce is definitely the most used e-commerce plugin. As you can see, there are over 5 million downloads. So to use WooCommerce, you need to have a WooCommerce enabled theme. So you can download these themes from their own theme directory. There is a section for free themes that they offer. I'm going to cover finding a beautiful theme in another video, but for now, let's download and install WooCommerce. So from the dashboard, we'll go to Plugins, and we'll go to Add New. We're going to search for WooCommerce, and it's definitely going to be the first one that pops up. Excelling e-commerce. Install it now. Activate it. And now it's going to ask you to install WooCommerce pages. So we're going to click that, and now that's going to install all of the customer pages, all the product pages. It's going to create everything that you need to create your online store. So let's take a look at WooCommerce. So from the settings, we're going to set our base location to Canada because that is where I am, and I am in British Columbia. And I will just sell to Canada and the United States, just to make that a little bit easier on my own order and process management. So we're also going to change the currency to the Canadian dollar. Oh, Canadian. And currency position. That doesn't quite matter. And then we'll save the changes. So we'll go to the Products tab. As you can see, it has set our shop page to the shop. It's also created a cart, checkout, and My Account page. The My Account is for our customers' user accounts. In tax, you can set the tax settings for your online store. Under checkout, you can enable the use of coupons. You can also enable or disable guest checkout. I'd recommend leaving it enabled because I've been the person who has not wanted to create an account. I've just wanted this thing and they've made me create an account, so definitely enable guest checkout. You can set your cart and your checkout pages. It's already created them. You can also set your terms and conditions page. We don't have one right now. I'm not going to bother with it. So we'll save our changes, and then we'll go into our payment options. So we're going to disable bank transfer because that's not anything that we want to deal with. I don't want my bank account to be associated with the online store. We're not going to allow check payment because who uses checks anymore? I mean, come on. Cash on delivery won't work either. That's already disabled. And now we'll have our PayPal. So I will enter my PayPal email. I would suggest you entering yours. Definitely set up PayPal to start making money online. I would definitely recommend it. Save your changes, and just like that, we are set up to receive payments on our store. Under shipping, you can control the shipping settings. We'll go into this in another video. You can set the account settings as well as control emails. Orders will display all of our recent orders that we get from customers. It's pretty self-explanatory. Clearly we don't have any right now. You can create coupons to send out to prospective customers, and they can use them at the checkout process. Reports gives you an overview of your site, your sales this period, average daily sales, orders placed, gives you everything. An overview of your customers, and it also has a inventory management to manage your stock. Because we're going to be working on a print-on-demand system, we don't need to worry about stock because we have literally unlimited stock. Products is where we'll create and add all of our products in our product categories. You can also set your tags for products and the shipping classes, as well as different attributes. So that is the general introduction and overview to WooCommerce. In our next video, we're going to look at finding a beautiful WooCommerce enabled WordPress theme.